So I recently created a Shopify store. Well, I commissioned someone to create it, a web developer. Just walking home at the moment before I take you with me. Built it all, looked nice, had all my products that are on my Amazon store on it. And I recently just terminated the whole thing and said, actually, forget it. I'm not going to align my focus with this Shopify store. And I'm going to fully focus on Amazon. I want to explain, there's quite a lot of wind, I hope you can hear me, stay with me. I want to explain why I did that. Because the reason that I did that was because I realised the amount of focus it's taken me to build the store out on Amazon. And I didn't want to take that focus away. I didn't want to take that focus away from the success that I've had. It's come to my realisation in the last couple of years that you can only have, probably in the last 6 months, you can only have a certain amount of focus. And if you start plotting that all over the place, 4, 5, 6 different things, then you end up getting nowhere. You become, what's the saying they say? You become a master of none. So I can't remember the saying, but you become a master of nothing if your focus is all over the place. So I set it all up and I realised that actually I need to fully focus on Amazon. Because yes, there's always a risk on Amazon, and it's, you know, it's not your platform, they're not your customers, that's what they say, but who cares? Like, it makes loads of money, we make good money, it's limitless potential, it's still building the brand on Amazon, and we're going to keep smashing it, and we're going to keep building that up. Because the likelihood of that third-party sellers ever not being allowed is slim. It's over 50% of their revenue. It's very slim. And I'm not saying we won't go to Shopify store one day, but right now, no. It's not worth my focus to be doing that right now. You've got high advertising costs, and basically it's just not my expertise. Whenever I do something now, I always look at the goal, the why. Why am I doing it? Is it ego? Is it money? Is it a tactical move? Is it de-risking myself? And yes, you could say it is all of them. But when I look at it without ego involved or anything like that, what I'm doing right now is generating good money, and it's building fast, and it does not make sense for me to take focus away from that. Since focusing fully on Amazon and forgetting about the Shopify store, I've increased margins and I've increased sales. I think last month we did 75,000, I don't know, something like that, in total sales across my UK and USA store. And I'm going to keep building it. I'm going to keep building my brand in the UK. And I've just been, since once again, not focusing on Shopify, but focusing on creating a mega amazing brand. I've opened an account with a new supplier for my packaging and everything like that. And we're going to be bringing the quality up significantly. So it's like, I guess the main takeaway here is decide what you want to be your focus. Because especially in the early days, until you've got a big team, I mean, I'm just about to highlight my 8th VA, so we're not tiny. That's my VAs and a few VAs that I share with other people. The 8th one, I think, 7th or 8th one that I'm hiring, I lose count because they're managed by other VAs. You've got to, especially in the early days, you've got to make sure that your focuses are best aligned and that you're not overly focusing on stuff that isn't bringing in the most revenue. What's bringing in the most revenue? We know Amazon, we're good at Amazon, it's growing significantly, so why would I deploy my time and my resources and my finance into an area that I don't know, that's probably going to take me 2 or 3 years to learn? I'm not saying Shopify is better than Amazon, I'm not saying Amazon is better than Shopify. I'm saying decide what your focus is and why. Once I've built this momentum of being, I don't want to call myself an expert because I'm not, but pretty good at Amazon, why would I then start compounding Shopify when I could just keep compounding Amazon and see where we are in 3 years? It's going to be in a big place. So I thought I'd do that video to just highlight the reasons why, and I'll look forward to doing Shopify in the future. But right now I'm deploying my resources, my time, my finances, my team into Amazon, into something that we know, into the biggest income generating task. I'll see you soon.